What is up, Paradise Crew? And as you can tell from the YouTube title on this video, it is losing weight for a cruise. Now it is Friday night and I am hungry. I want takeout, I want Chinese, I want wings, I want pizza. But because I'm trying to lose weight from my last cruise, if you don't follow me on the Instagram stories, go check that out, because right now I've lost about 3 pounds and every plate is gonna help us continue to do that. So if you want to partake in this, they're gonna give you guys 18 meals for $3.33 per meal. And if you want to hop on that discount, the discount code is Griffin Alyssa 30, and they're gonna help you guys lose some weight. Because these meals, they're pre-measured, they're healthy, they come with recipes, and you can get them done really quick. So I'm hungry. Where is Alyssa?
Are you talking about food?
If you say food, she's gonna pop up. Let's get cooking.
Let's eat.
So what is up, guys? Alyssa's got the Every Plate box that just came in the mail. Looks fresh. What's some of the stuff in here?
We got some fresh foods. We got some potato buns, some broccoli, and pasta. Can we have pasta tonight?
Ooh, pasta does sound delicious.
And a whole bunch of other things in here. Potatoes, peppers, all the fun things. What do you want to make?
I don't know, I'm craving chicken.
All right, let's do the blackened chicken penne pasta then.
Sweet.
So it looks like this chicken already comes in strips. It's chicken breast strips, which would be very helpful when we're preparing.
All right, sweet.
Great.
So it looks like we're making chicken penne, fancy. We're gonna hop into this meal, get started, because I am very hungry. What about you?
I'm always hungry. Literally always hungry. All right, let's follow this recipe here.
Let's do it. All right, guys, to give you a little bit of context of what's going on right now, we got back from the Carnival Panorama cruise, and those vlogs will be coming soon, but I came back 226 pounds. Right now I'm on day 6, and I am weighing in at 218, and I wanna keep the progress going, so we're gonna check in weekly with this. I think it's gonna be a 6-week challenge. You guys can monitor my progress. Alyssa is getting back into the gym after hurting her knee. She tore her ACL. So this stuff couldn't have came at a better time, because once it gets to the end of the week, you run out of groceries, you're tired, having the groceries shipped right to your door, very clutch. That's all I'm saying.
Very clutch.
Very clutch. All right, and update.
Update. Veggies chopped. Water almost done boiling. So now pasta goes in the water, and then we have to do something with the chicken, so you can do that.
Okay. Wood board, what do you want to call it?
I like your Mickey Band-Aid. It's really cute.
So me and Oli, Bear, my dog, we were wrestling yesterday, and she won. So
It's nice that that's pre-cut.
yeah, I like this.
Look at that.
That saves a lot of time. Now I really like that this is pre-shredded, and I just gotta add fry seasoning to it.
Is that what the directions say? Back to step 1. Says place chicken in a medium bowl and pat dry with paper towels. Toss with fry seasoning, salt, and pepper.
Gotcha.
It's boiled. You gotta put the pasta in.
Oh.
Okay, and make sure it says salt and pepper too. That's a lot of salt. That's a lot of pepper. Cullen has this thing with salt. I like to say it's a problem, but he has yet to admit it. So, you gotta like take down the salt intake.
So we're gonna add a little bit of oil, because the directions said add a little bit of oil. Drizzle of oil. I feel like it's a nice drizzle.
That's a nice drizzle.
Nice little drizzle. And now we're gonna stick the chicken in this thing. So. All right, so typically on Friday nights, We said this earlier, but Alyssa and I like to go out to eat because it's the end of the week, man. And like measuring food, ordering food versus cooking the food, and it's like, you know what I mean? You get to the end of the week, you're exhausted, you've been working at 9 to 5. Cooking, especially if you have a big family, cooking and then cleaning up afterwards, and then even doing it the next day, Saturday morning. Typically we just get some wings, order out, get Five Guys or something. But because we are trying to lose a little bit of weight, this is coming in handy. So chicken's pre-measured, the pasta's boiling, the time is 6:12. I can show you guys here. So we've been at it now for about 12 minutes. How's it going for you?
It's going great. Everything smells good, and I'm getting very hungry.
Me too. We're about nearly complete. Every plate says it needs to be done in 30 minutes or you lose. No, I'm just kidding. But they say most meals take about 30 minutes, and for the low price of $3.33, 18 meals. I mean, come on. Bit of a no-brainer. All right, I gotta stir this chicken. I'll be right back. So Alyssa is moving through this pretty quickly now. It said to add a little more oil, add the garlic, toast the garlic a little bit, add the cream cheese.
Like add butter, but we did oil.
Gotcha. So we substituted our butter for oil, and yeah, this thing is coming together quite well. We are still under our time cap. It is 6:20, and I'm getting even hungrier.
I'm garlicky.
Okay.
That's good though.
Let us know what everyone voted. This looks good though. She added a little bit of pasta water to make a nice little sauce. And
Which would have been creamier if we had butter, but
yeah, it would have been creamier, but here's the chicken and the peppers.
Stir in chicken mixture, 3/4 of the pepper jack, and another splash of pasta water. Cheers.
Cheers. All right, let's do this.
That's not bad.
Yeah, that's delicious and fast.
It is spicy.
A little bit of hot sauce. Hot sauce on my pasta, baby.
I'm enjoying this.
Yep.
I think we killed it. We haven't had much to eat today, so this is great.
Yeah.
But it's almost like macaroni and cheese.
Yeah.
Because there's cheese and pasta with chicken and veggies.
So they had some other recipes in here. It was like, one moment. Got it. Poison pork sloppy joes and crispy ranch pork chops. So, which that's gonna be delicious.
I think that's tomorrow.
Yeah. So, thank you every plate. Guys, if you're interested in getting some help around the kitchen, you need some food, freshly delivered to your front door. Yeah, don't forget to use our coupon code, Griffin Alyssa 30. Yeah, save you some cash on some groceries. If you dig the vibes, please subscribe.
And if you care, please share. We'll see you in paradise. Bye.